Introducing ASC Engineered Solutions SCI Press Stainless, a complete line of stainless steel press products for commercial and residential plumbing, mechanical, and light industrial applications. SCI Stainless Press offers one of the widest press product offerings in the industry, with over 200 individual SKUs available in sizes 1/2 through 2 inches. The line features a full range of elbows, tees, couplings, adapters, reducers, and caps, providing safe, economical, and reliable connections for stainless steel piping systems. This wide selection enables you to use a single, dedicated solutions provider for all your press fitting needs. These products meet or exceed industry standards for performance and regulations. The white or green marking on SCI Press stainless steel product exteriors mark the proper pipe insertion depth. The white exterior marking indicates the product has an FKM ribbed sealing element that provides a consistent seal, even on uneven surfaces. The green exterior marking indicates that the product has an EPDM ribbed sealing element and can be used with EPDM-compatible fluids. Installation is simple and can be done with standard press tools and jaws. Follow these simple steps for proper installation of SCI Press stainless steel products. Cut, clean, and deburr the inside and outside of piping. Mark the proper insertion depth as indicated by the SCI Press insertion depth chart to ensure proper installation and monitor any pipe movement over time. While turning slightly, slide press fitting onto piping until the pipe end contacts the stop inside the fitting. A properly inserted fitting lines up with the insertion depth line. Open the press tool jaw and place at right angles on the fitting. Both groove halves of the jaw must be engaged with the fitting. With the actuator inserted into the tool, hold the trigger until the actuator has engaged the ring. After visual confirmation of each connection, a system pressure test may be performed. Full installation instructions are provided on the product packaging and in the submittal. BIM design files for this product line, including Revit families, are available for complimentary download on our website. SCI Stainless Press is available nationwide through our many local distribution centers and suppliers. The extensive product offering provides an economical and reliable solution for commercial and residential stainless steel piping systems. ASC's mission is to provide products, tools, and services that create ease, impart safety and longevity, and save you time and money.